Prosecco. This isn't just any sparkling wine. It's a protected name from one extraordinary corner of Italy. And to show you why that matters, I'm introducing you to someone who knows this place like the back of her hand. That's Christine Marsiglio, Master of Wine and our Head of Education.
I've been lucky to live in Italy, walk through these vineyards, and even get married in Friuli. I celebrated my wedding with Prosecco in my glass, and it's been part of my life ever since. Friends, family, work, this corner of Italy is in my veins, so I cannot wait to show you the place, the people, and the passion behind every bottle of Prosecco DOC. When most people say Prosecco, they think of a bubbly drink, but Prosecco DOC is from a very specific place. It comes from the northeastern corner of Italy, in the regions of Veneto and Friuli Venezia Giulia. Vineyards here are shaped by the Dolomites to the north and the Adriatic Sea to the south. The area is surrounded by UNESCO World Heritage Sites, like the Botanical Gardens of Padua, Palladian villas, and the Roman archaeological site of Aquileia. Prosecco DOC covers 9 provinces across the regions of Veneto and Friuli Venezia Giulia, from coastal plains to gentle rolling inland hills. The Alps to the north act as a natural barrier, shielding the vines from cold winds, while the Adriatic Sea brings warm breezes from the south. This balance creates warm days and cooler nights, what winemakers call diurnal shift, which helps the grapes develop and hold on to their delicate aromas. Here, the native grape Glera thrives, producing fresh floral styles that defines elegant Prosecco DOC. The soils, rich in minerals from ancient seas and the erosion of the Dolomites, gives wines their bright, clean finish. It's this combination of location, climate, and grape variety that makes Prosecco DOC unlike any other sparkling wine, and it's why the name is protected. And Prosecco's story actually goes back a really long way. Wine has been made here for centuries, even during ancient Roman times. Records tell us about a local wine named Puccino that was made near today's Trieste, which Empress Livia believed was the secret to her long life. In the centuries that followed, vineyards spread across the region. By the Middle Ages, grape growing and winemaking were woven into the culture here, and with local varieties, including Glera, prized for their freshness and fragrance. By the 1700s and 1800s, Prosecco-style wines were well known in northeastern Italy. And in the 19th century, the Conegliano wine school began refining sparkling winemaking techniques, laying the foundation for Prosecco DOC as we know it today. Prosecco has always been made from Glera, a grape variety that is native to the region, prized for its floral and fruity aromas. Yet, for much of the 19th and 20th century, the grape was called Prosecco, blurring the lines between the variety and the wine. That created a problem. Sparkling wines made from Glera, grown outside the historic Prosecco zones in places as far away as Australia, could be sold as Prosecco, despite having no real link to the original place. To protect the integrity of the wine and its origin, the name Prosecco was officially filed into a geographic region in 2009 when Prosecco became a DOC. From then on, wines labeled as Prosecco must be made primarily from the Glera grape and grown in the specific areas of Northeast Italy. Now, only wines made here under strict rules can carry the name Prosecco DOC, and every bottle has this seal to guarantee its authenticity. In Italy, Prosecco is the go-to before a meal, something you share with friends, standing at the bar or lingering over small bites in the late afternoon. It's also the sparkle behind Italy's most famous aperitivo, the spritz. And in the final video of this series, I'll show you exactly how to make one the proper way. But for now, let's enjoy it just as it is. Fresh pear, white flowers, and a hint of citrus. Crisp, with just over 11% alcohol. You could linger over this all afternoon. It's light, zesty, and unmistakably Italian. Prosecco isn't just delicious. It's also responsibly made. Many conventional weed killers are banned in the Prosecco region due to environmental and health concerns for both consumers and vineyard workers. Many of these chemicals are still commonly used in other wine regions around the world. The Consorzio, that's the group of local producers who promote and protect the region, has also restricted the use of certain conventional fungicides. The aim is to protect diversity, keep chemical inputs low, and safeguard the land, the people who work it, and the consumers, like you and me. Now you know the place, the people, and the care that goes into every bottle of Prosecco DOC. Next time, we'll step inside the cellar to see how it's made and show you how to spot the real thing so you never end up with a fake. Cheers!